Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. We're here at Minnehaha Falls. I'm here with my buddy Joel.
That's right.
Leslie's behind the camera. Ryan's being camera shy.
He's on the phone.
I've never been here. Joel and Leslie and Ryan have been here. And we're gonna try to get down to the falls. I mean, it says it's closed over there, but people are coming in and out anyways. So we're gonna try to get down there and see how close we can get. And yeah, we'll try not to die because there's still snow everywhere and ice. Even though it's like 60 degrees today. I'm really excited. Joel, you want anything to say?
Click that subscribe button. Click that. Get that camera away from my face.
Hi, Ryan. How you doing, Ryan? Ryan, you don't want to be in my vlog, Ryan? Ryan, what's going on in your life, Ryan? So it says steps closed, but we're gonna go down there anyways.
Oh no.
Joel, you're okay. You're alive. Come on, aerobics. I guess a lot of people don't care that it says steps closed because we're going down anyways. So we're here at Minnehaha Falls. Is that what it's called? Minnehaha?
Yeah. Yeah.
The falls. It's somewhat unfrozen, but there's still a lot of snow and ice up there. So I've never been here, but this looks pretty cool. And so I had a camera for a class. I might as well use it and practice videography on it. So what memories do you have of the falls?
I have memories of the summer. So this is my first time coming here in the spring.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's kind of interesting to see how like it's different. I don't know.
You've never seen the falls like this
I've never
before?
seen it like this before, no.
So it's a first for both of us.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, and I've lived here for 20 years.
Wow, you really just left me hanging there.
Let's go. She's talking way too much. Have you ever heard of a camera person that doesn't speak?
Me.
That's my vlog. I'm the camera person. I speak all the time.
Well see, this is the new way of vlogging.
Vlog, not Leslie's
well, it should be my vlog.
People come out here just for the view. Some people here are taking their, oh, this will be great photos for her here at the falls up here. But we're gonna try to get as far as we can out there. So let's go. Danger, keep out, danger. Do we fear danger, Leslie?
Yes.
Joel, do you fear danger?
I fear Leslie.
You fear Leslie?
Yeah.
Ryan already is all the way out there and he's ready to face his fears. All right, so we're out here. That's where we were over there. She's gonna, oh my goodness. So here's the falls.
Greetings. Okay.
That's pretty intense. We're out here on snow. This is usually rock, right? It's just rocks.
Water rock. Or grass.
We're gonna take some pictures out here. Joel, you ready? You wanna go first?
Sure.
All right, let's go.
All right. Hold my beer.
Hold my beer. All right.
Light work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple man slide around like the hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.
This guy's been fishing. I got some pictures of him. You having fun, Leslie? Yeah. You're cold?
Yeah.
But it's 60 degrees, Leslie. Joel! You having a good time? There's a video, bro. Oh my gosh. Don't slip on me, bro. Don't slip.
No, you have to stick out your booty for that one.
Oh my goodness, Joel.
My nose is so cold.
Your nose is cold?
Is it red?
No. Your concealer's doing a lot of the work.
That's what I like to hear.
Why is she wearing Crocs? She's wearing Crocs out here. Leslie, she's wearing Crocs. What are those? Joel, you comfortable down there?
I was, but now I have to pee. There's the river right there.
So we've been taking photos out here for a while, and Leslie's, like, this is a really nice shot. We'll put those pictures up too. There's gonna be Joel's turn. Hi, Ryan. Alright, let's take some more photos.
That's good. Very
Ryan, can I please get a photo of you? Yeah. If I pay you, I'll pay you in my time and friendship.
yeah.
Can I do that?
You can turn the camera on.
Thanks for coming out to today's vlog. Thank you, Joel, Leslie, and Ryan. Be sure
Where's
to comment,
Ryan?
like, subscribe. Ryan's over there.
Ryan!
Yeah, Ryan. Say goodbye to the people. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification so then you get first updates when it comes out. You'll get a notification to your email, to your phone, to Ryan. Are you gonna hit the bell? Exactly. What bell? You gotta hit the bell down here. All right. Go check me out on Instagram, AndresVlogs_YT.
Hit us up on that LinkedIn,
On that LinkedIn.
TikTok,
Oh
that
my gosh.
Instagram, Squarespace. Is that even a thing?
I don't know.
That's a thing. Okay.
I'll put my social media in the description below if you want to follow me. Hit the notification bell so then you can be the first to watch the videos as they come out. Joel, do you have anything to say?
Nothing.
Nothing? Ryan, anything to say?
It rained today.
It was not raining, it was the mist from, you know, the waterfall, and this guy was like,
It's raining. Thanks for coming out. We'll see you at the next one.